Today we are going to work on the memorization of the 8's facts in multiplication. So we'll start with one of our 8's beads, 8 taken one time, or 8 times 1. And how much does that equal? Yep, 8. So we'll take one 8's bead and lay it down vertically underneath to show the product. 8 times 1 equals 8. Okay, let's do another one together. What would be after 8 times 1? 8 taken 2 times, or 8 times 2. Let's record that. 8 times 2, and what does that equal? 16. So we can show that with 1 10 and a 6. Okay, so we'll put that vertically underneath. And let's record it. Okay, let's do one more. What would be next? 8 taken 3 times. Okay. And we can record that. 8 times 3 equals, and what do we have? 24. Yeah, so how would we show that vertically? Yeah, we'd need 2 10s, right? For 20, there's 10, 20, and a 4. That 4's bead is really glowing, isn't it? Okay, so 8 times 3 equals 24. Okay, so you'll keep going. You'll do 8 times 4, 8 times 5, and keep going until you get to 8 times 10. And that is how to practice the memorization of the 8's facts.